Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it is Tuesday and I am currently just editing. I'm editing today's video because I'm a slacker. And so this video is going up on the family channel today. It's just a game of Pictionary, which is going to be really fun. It's almost done, but I have to let it sit and render right now because it's being really annoying. So I'm letting it render, and I thought while it was rendering I would make the intro to this video. I look not that cute. This is like day 3 hair for me, and my hair gets like really oily, so it's pretty greasy right now, but it's okay. Hey Eloise. Thank you. So yeah, I decided I'd film a little rainy day chill editing vlog today, and my battery's about to die. So that's this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, peace out. This isn't the outro or anything. This is just me doing the intro to this video. But so I hope you enjoy this video while it's happening. Bye bye. So hello. Hi. Okay, so I'm gonna make a snack, and this is the angle that we're working with because I don't feel like getting my other tripod out, so get over it. I have no idea what I want to eat right now. I just know I'm hungry, so let's have a roll. I'm gonna have a roll. Another roll. Because I just don't really feel like making anything right now. Hello, I have to like hold this like this because I didn't pick it up right. You guys, it's like seriously raining right now. I'm like so into it. I'm gonna finish eating my roll first. Be right back.
I want to see if you can guess the song that I'm singing in just this one clip.
It's not loud enough. Can't hear.
It's literally up all the way.
What do you say?
For goodness sake.
Wait.
It's literally up all the way.
They don't bug me.
They don't bother me.
Let it go?
No.
They don't.
Here, I'll take the auto tune off there.
They don't. I need a hint.
It's like an old song from like back in the day. Another hint, country.
Country?
Let's go flats.
They don't. Let's go flats.
What hurts the most was being so close.
When does he say that?
Something this empty house. They don't bother me.
Oh, I know what I'll do. I will edit a picture for Instagram. Oh, and
a picture of what now?
A picture of Instagram.
Oh, I thought you said a picture of Britney Spears.
So I'm gonna edit some pictures for Instagram and see if they turn out or not, which it's very possible that they won't turn out. It's okay, but like I was going for like an aesthetic, like I've been seeing a lot of pictures on Instagram of like aesthetic workspaces, so that's what I was going for. This literally just looks like my computer, like that. Like it's not that aesthetic. So anyway. That song is gonna be stuck in my head now, so thanks a lot. So, hi, I'm back. The video is done being edited, and now I'm just...
What was this?
I don't know. I just did that. So anyway.
The video is done being edited.
The video's done. I'm uploading it. It's currently at 14% done. So
Wow.
that's pretty good. But it will go up today. I'm gonna make a thumbnail now. So I also wanted to add in that Sam didn't know that I wasn't filming for that whole last thing where I was like, I wasn't filming him, like he wasn't in the shot while I was filming the thing.
Hi, I'm editing too.
And he's he's editing, but he tell him what happened.
So I got hungry and I wanted to make a frozen lasagna, right? So I crawl out of the studio as to not be seen by the camera. I finish cooking it. I come around, like crouching underneath the bar, like pop up, put it on the bar, come back round, and then crawl back in, all the way up back here in the corner, pop up. I'm like, okay, good, I don't think I was seen. And then I sit back down.
And then like 6 minutes later I come back and I'm like, I wasn't filming you at all. Like, I literally stopped filming a while ago. And so he just went to all that trouble to not be seen. And I'll never know if he got to be seen or not. I really wish I was filming because that is so funny. But anyway, that's all.
A
Bye.
little tidbit.
A little tidbit.